It is time to take a closer look at this.
Hours upon hours of sitting is making us sick.
Sitting can be just as bad for your neck, your back, and your shoulders.
Sitting is linked to a higher risk of death.
Sitting all day long is literally killing us.
Sitting is the new smoking, but that's not true. It's worse. Today, the average adult sits for 11 hours per day. Excess sitting has been linked to being overweight, type 2 diabetes, heart disease, depression, and anxiety. And although the NHS recommends 150 minutes a week of moderate exercise, the benefits of this are almost entirely erased by sitting. Sitting tightens the hips, the hamstrings, impacts our lower back and our shoulders, particularly when we're slouching. Reduces blood flow in the legs, which are not moving much while we're sitting. That we need to limit our sitting as much as possible, either by going on a walk on our break, or working in other healthier positions where possible. A lot of us have jobs that require sitting, and we can only limit it so much, but we can always find a little bit of time throughout the day to take a break. A little often should help to reduce the effects of sitting. First, we'll start off with the stretches. Eagles help to provide a rotational stretch in the lower back and the outside of the glutes. Start lying on your back, then extend your leg into the air and bend the knee at 90 degrees. Trying to keep your shoulders on the ground, grab the outside of your knee with your opposite hand and move it across your body to touch the ground. And repeat that on the other side. The lunge with a rotation helps to stretch the hips and the lower back. From standing, step forward and bend that front knee to 90 degrees, while keeping the back leg as straight as possible. Place the hands on the inside of the foot, let the hip sink towards the ground, and reach up towards that ceiling with your hand closest to your foot. Then change it to the other hand. Switch legs and repeat that on the other side. And for an easier variation, lunge without that twist. Cobra is a great stretch to counter the effects of sitting by stretching the core. Start facing down, place the hands under the shoulders and push up, bending the back and keeping the hips down. If you need an easier variation, then place the forearms on the ground instead of the hands. Next are the exercises. Arm circles are a simple exercise to help provide support in the shoulder. Stand up straight and point the arms straight out to the side. Start with small circles forward and then small circles backwards. The one-legged bridge will provide strength through the hamstrings and the lower back. Start with your shoulders on the ground and your hips pushed up. Your knees should be bent and the feet on the ground. If you can, lift up one leg and hold this position. You can also perform a dynamic variation of this exercise. If you need an easier progression, keep both feet on the floor. The dead bug is a great exercise to develop the deep abdominal muscles. Lie flat on your back with your arms straight and pointed towards the ceiling with your legs up and your knees bent at 90 degrees. Lower one leg and the opposite arm to just above the ground. Straighten out that leg as you extend. Bring these back and repeat that on the other side. Finally, a squat in any variation is going to promote blood flow to the lower body and provide strength to the legs which aren't moving while you're sitting. So stand up straight, sink the hips back while keeping that chest up, go as far as you can and then come back up. There are many variations of the squat. There's the standard, the sumo, the goblet, and you can use the goblet if you wanted to add any weight. There's one more powerful tool that can benefit all of us, and that's breathing. The double inhale improves our focus through increased oxygen. Breathe in deeply and then add another breath in before breathing out slowly. Conversely, the double exhale helps to give a sense of relaxation. In the same way, exhale deeply and then breathe out again before inhaling deeply. The ultimate breath helps us to relax and slow the heart rate. Breathe in for 4 seconds, hold that for 8, and then breathe out slowly. Everything I've mentioned can be used individually. If you'd like to do that, I'd recommend 30 seconds or 10 to 30 reps, depending on what's most appropriate. If you're creating a workout, I'd break it down into 10 reps of each exercise and then repeat that 3 times. Hey guys, my name is Max. I hope you enjoyed the video. Johnny asked me to make this video because we thought it might be able to help some of you who are sitting all day So I hope it's done that and just helps a little bit. It's my first time making a video like this, so if you have any queries or questions, you can send it to my email, which I'll leave in the description below, for whatever reason, if you need to contact me. Okay, have a good day. Thank you very much for watching. Bye now.